This is an easy depth digital readout from Igaging. We're going to be putting this on our oldest drill press.
This is one of the oldest ones we have. Here's everything it comes with, and it has plenty of extra screws. First thing I'll do is add the hose clamp. It looks great, but we still need to drill the holes in the drill press and add some threads. It has a drill bit and a threader. It was really fast and easy to install. It looks great on this machine. Doing the test try, it's working really well. It's keeping up with me, constantly showing the depth I'm going. It did awesome. I was able to stop right before breaking through the board. You can just see the light. It did amazing.
Igaging's Easy Depth is definitely an awesome product. Whether you're upgrading an old drill press like the one I have, or you got a brand new one and you want it to be that much better, check out Pin Tool. They'll take care of you.